Today we're talking about upgrading packages in Python individually. So sometimes there may be a reason to update a Python package. It may be to fix a security vulnerability or a bug, or there's a feature that you've been waiting for whatever the reason. There are good reasons to do that. So if you ever want to see what packages are installed, you can always do a pip list. And you can see on this Raspberry Pi, I have several. I do believe that this NumPy one is out of date, so I want to go ahead and upgrade that one. So what I would do is say pip install and then dash upgrade and then the name of my package. So in this case it'll be NumPy, and then you just hit enter and let's see if it's upgrades it. I hope so. Now it's downloading the newer package. You can see we were, now it's 1.214 dash the rest of this. This is all going on a Raspberry Pi, by the way. And yep, and the old version is 1.20.1. So you can definitely see there's two different, that's the older version. So it's uninstalling the old version, it's going to install the new version. Now there's always compatibility issues you may need to be worried about, but again, there are times when you do want to do this. And we're done. And that's pretty easy. I'm going to just try to do these quickie videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.